Warriors throughout history have experienced some of the most intense pain imaginable. Battles could last for hours or even days, and there was no such thing as a painkiller. In fact, painkillers weren't invented until the 1800s. Opium is a drug that comes from the opium poppy plant, and it has been used for centuries to relieve pain and induce sleep. It was used by the Egyptians as far back as 2000 BCE, and it was commonly used in China and India as an anesthetic during surgeries. During the Middle Ages, opium was also used to treat a variety of ailments, including pain, anxiety, and depression. Hypnosis is a state of deep relaxation and focus that can help to reduce pain and anxiety. Pain tolerance is a highly individual thing, and some people are naturally more able to endure pain than others. Many warriors learn how to push through the pain and keep fighting, even when they are injured. What do you think is the most surprising thing about how warriors dealt with pain before painkillers? Let us know in the comments below. This can be a valuable skill in battle, but it can also lead to serious health problems. Meditation, on the other hand, is a practice that has been used for centuries to calm the mind and body and promote overall well-being. Both hypnosis and meditation can be effective ways for warriors to cope with pain, but they require a lot of training and discipline to use properly. However, opium is a highly addictive substance, so it was not always a safe option for warriors to use. Before that, warriors had to rely on other methods to deal with pain, and some of those methods were quite brutal. While some of these methods were more effective than others, they all had their risks. Ultimately, the best way to deal with pain is still through modern medicine, which offers safe and effective ways to manage even the most severe pain. So what did they do to block the pain? The answer may surprise you. Herbs and spices have been used for centuries to treat pain and inflammation. Some of the most common herbs used for pain relief include turmeric, ginger, and peppermint. These herbs can be consumed in a variety of ways, including teas, tinctures, and ointments. While these remedies may not completely eliminate pain, they can often help to reduce inflammation and promote healing. When it comes to blocking pain, warriors didn't have the luxury of popping painkillers like we do today. One of the most common ways to deal with pain before modern medicine was to use opium. Another popular method was to drink alcohol. Alcohol is a depressant, which means that it slows down the activity of the central nervous system. This can help to reduce feelings of pain and make it easier to fall asleep. In fact, alcohol has been used as a painkiller for thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans all used wine and other alcoholic beverages to help dull the pain of injuries and surgeries. Of course, alcohol is also highly addictive and can cause serious health problems if consumed in large amounts. But for warriors who are already in a lot of pain, it can be hard to resist the temptation to drink more. Another way that warriors coped with pain was by using herbal remedies. Some warriors also used hypnosis and meditation to help them cope with pain. But perhaps the most effective way that warriors dealt with pain before modern medicine was by simply ignoring it. In conclusion, warriors throughout history have used a variety of methods to block pain, from opium and alcohol to herbal remedies and hypnosis. Now it's time to hear from you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.